Hi guys, good morning. What's up? What's up, happy people? Today is March 1st. Time is 12 in New York. And I'm in Texas, so it's 11 over here. And the market is having a swing day. Went up, came down, went up, came down. So kind of like a swing day today. And I've been watching something in the market these days. I like to warn everyone. This can be a very big kind of a. I like to warn everyone. Trading is risky. First of all, any type of a trading is risky. Option, stocks, crypto, forex, all having a risk. If you don't have a risk tolerance, you should not trade. And certainly this video is for the education purpose only. Please contact your financial advisor, ask him about anything, whatever I say. You don't have to take it based on whatever I make a projection or prediction. So most of the time I make a projection. So and I'm a day trader. I'm not a long-term trader. I don't hold anything for a long time, but I'm a day trader, so my ways things change based on the market moves. I'm very this active guy. So if I say I'm bullish today, I will be bearish tomorrow. So don't hold anything against me, because that's how I am. I'm a day trader. I don't care which side the market moves, which side who's the buyer and who's the seller. I don't care, basically. So what I've seen today is like today we have like a almost like a swing day, but I'm a little bit concerned about some things which are because there's a lot of dark pool activities going on, and so those are one of our softwares. Basically, we monitor everything. I personally watch everything, which most people, they don't understand. So 90% of the trading has been done by the dark pool, by the big investors and the hedge fund managers, big banks, and something from the dark pool, because most of their orders won't get filled, and most of their orders will go and take a 1 or 2 days as well to get filled. So and we trade regular through NASDAQ, basically. So all the banks and all, they trade to the dark pool, so they move out millions and millions of dollars, basically. So we specifically monitor SPY, QQQ. Those are my favorite one. SPY, QQQ, Russell, and all those are my favorite, basically. So if what I've seen in SPY, there was a bear flag, which I'm a little bit worried about this one. So if I was holding some stocks in my portfolio right now, I will be putting some I mean, like at least 1 or 2 option for 3 months time, a put option, basically put option when the stock goes down, and the call option when the stock goes up, basically. And that's what I would have did it. So I just want to be a little bit cautious for today, because today is kind of like a bullish and bearish kind of a market, like a swing day, like goes up, come down, goes up, come down. So again, and there's a big time volume in a dark pool side. So basically the options are like what do you call it, insurance policies, like you pay your car premium, the car insurance. If something happens to your car can get fixed. So if you're holding some type of a stock and the stock goes down, that put option will gonna help you to recover some of your money. So that's the reason I was trying to warn everyone, because this can be moved up or moved down very quickly. So the dark pool basically is the one who doesn't disclose anything. Those trades have been disclosed when they have been filled. But I have seen a lot of dark pool activities. Based on my experience, I know what these people are thinking and how these people are placing their trades in. So it's very, very important for you to understand. It's very, very important for you guys to understand. So today I'm kind of waiting for my level. At the same time, let's see, today is Wednesday, March 1st. So I'm just waiting. I'm just kind of waiting right now. What's going to happen in the market? So patience is a lot of the time is a game for me. No joke. Patience is the game for me. So kind of like this setup right now. Let's see if I'm able to make some money today. I have to select one of the options for today to watch which one I want to trade. This one kind of looking good. It's kind of today also my target is not too much. It's just to hit a basic target of like if I can make $1,000, that would be great. Nothing more, nothing less. $1,000 should be good. Good amount of money, or like $500 should be also good amount of money for me. So this is very, very important for me, like to hit my basics. Since last Friday, like 2 days ago, I was almost losing like $5,000 if you go and check my back video. So, and I was able to recover that money. So I'm going a little bit on the slow side these days because I want to regain my confidence again. And so far, and I'm just watching S&P. It's kind of going on a sideways direction, and at the same time, it's kind of like not giving that good kind of a signal to me. Based on the 5-minute chart, can be like this was like a support, resistance, support, but this broke the support, and this time this is the resistance. But resistance can this moment in time resistance can take off. So I'm just waiting for that kind of a signal, basically. That kind of a signal for me to make that decision whether I'm buying it. Yeah, it looks like right now just gave me that confirmation right now. So I'm buying it. I already bought 10 options. I'm already holding 10 options right now. I'm just watching what more. Holding 14 of them. So this can easily turn into bearish side of it, but I'm pretty much sure this is like the first resistance, second resistance. If you draw a little bit of trend line, so it is like already breaked up the trend over here. At the same time, this is my VWAP. VWAP basically a moving average. So far I'm losing $31.45 so far. Okay, I have 18 options hold on in my this 18 option, and I'm losing $101 right now. $155 I'm losing right now. Down kind of $115. Buying the dip again a little bit, about 22 options so far holding, 25, 26 option. I'm down $260 or $50 somewhere over there right now, and $26 down at the same time. 267, $280. It's kind of downside. I want to sell half of my position. At this moment I would like to cut down my losses, or losing $300 from the small move basically. Just watching. Don't want to add any more options at this point. Because I was thinking to cut down my options, so I want to see how this candlestick has been forming so far, and it's been trying to gain, and it's been accumulating money over there. That's what I can tell you. So far it's moving up, okay, and it's moving up, so I don't want to add any more. 26 option holding, and I was losing $350, and right now I'm losing $110, $111 somewhere over there. So kind of watching still. I'm still feel that can go to 396 level easily, and right now it's kind of moving up. I'm gonna hold this. At the moment in time I'm still holding 26 option. 26 options and kind of a loss of $85 very quickly. These options are like very volatile basically. Okay, some type of bias right over there, no doubt about it. If it comes down a little bit, I'm going to add some more at this point. I'm up $71, $45, $19, 45. It's like very volatile. So far I'm up $150, $175, and my target is about to hit, and I'm going to take some of my profit out right over there. Like I said, it can rip off that resistance level. I'm just holding it. I'm holding it. I did not sell anything so far because I believe that resistance can take off. So far I'm up $250, $300 up, guys. $400 up. Sold. Up $552 right now. Up $552. I have traded less than 20 minutes, probably less than 20 minutes, and I'm up $552 very quickly. This is how exactly the trading is. If you know your levels again, you can buy the options, and I bought some call options and I sold them right over there. So within like that small move, I was holding 26 options altogether. So bought 26 options, sold 26 options altogether. Options were traded 52 option was traded. So this is how exactly I like to hit my goal. $500 a day can really make a lot of difference in your life. I'm pretty much sure anybody's life, right? And probably like $52 probably in commission so far, so there you go, guys. Very simple, very easy. But I say that easy for me because like I've been trading for last so many years, and it's easy for me. But it might be difficult for you unless you practice every day. You practice every day. I still remember this. My mother's brother bought me a video game, and I used to play this game back in time. When I was like a 6th standard or 7th standard, somewhere over there. and he bought me a game, and there was a Contra back in time game, Contra, and so the game was like they have a levels basically, one two. Every time you finish one level, you go to the next level. So there are so many times I used to die in the game, you know. But what I'm trying to say, if you practice, my simple point is very simple. If you practice some demo account trading, you know, within like 6 months, I'm pretty much sure you will be good, exactly like this. This is a game too, but you need to practice it, you need to watch it very carefully. But this game change every single day. It's not like that game where you monitor and check, oh shit, you know very well someone will going to come with a gun in that game, you know, like no, 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 this game is everyday change. So just to let you know, you know, but what I'm just trying to give you an example of that game, because back in time, you know, like I used to practice in order to go to the next level. So if you want to trade exactly whatever I'm talking about, you need to practice in order to make this kind of money. And practicing 1 hour 1 hour a day should be even good as well, with the demo account, of course, you know. So yes, go to see it took off and came down, guys. Good that I sold it. Anyway, I would have sold it, no doubt about it. So at this point, it's been failing at this. This is like a big kind of a resistance right over here, no doubt about it. So yes, I hold that over here because I knew that the 1 minute candlestick was getting over. So I watch a lot of things basically. I watch a lot of things, you know. My way of trading is not, I'm just not just looking for this screen and I'm done. No, I have some more screens, you know. I check other stocks. I check the broader market, Dow Jones, everything. Dow Jones, Russell. So let's check Dow Jones right over here. It's kind of same, but let's just check the 52. So it's kind of like this is that pattern basically. I am a little bit scared about this pattern, because it might drop down, and because the Fed is, I'm pretty much sure, upcoming, if the labor department brings up a good report and all, he will going to bring up more interest rate hike. So that can scare the market, and the big money can easily move out. So it's not like a lot of people thinking, you know, like, oh shit, it's the bad earnings or something like that. No, 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 no. It can be a bad earnings, but if somebody bought a lot of shares in so and so company, that earning really doesn't matter. Okay, that earning really doesn't matter. For example, if Tesla is kind of down today, right? And if Tesla is getting the earnings tomorrow, and they say like, oh shit, the earnings are very very low and all those things, and you know, there are a lot of cars has been sold by Tesla and all those things, you know, like you have everything positive, and you're probably thinking now tomorrow is the day where Tesla is getting the good earnings and you have your call options on. And guess what? But one day before, when the market closed, all the banks, because they already pump up the stock for Tesla, you know, like already, they did it already. And this is the day they are bringing the earnings, and you're holding it and you are like very, very positive. But the banks, what they do, and the big investors, they take out their money right over here. They're not waiting for that earnings. They know the earnings will going to shoot up, but they take out their money, and guess what? The earnings is all good. Everything is positive. The news sound positive too. Okay, and guess what? What should happen? When stock market is made of all of money, basically. Okay, it doesn't made on the news. Okay, it's all about the trading trading guys, the algorithm, and all those. But basically, it's a simple logic. It's made up with the money. If they pump the money, that means it's going to go up. If they take out their money right over here, even there's a good earnings, it will going to drop. So that's how it is played. So I back in time, I made very good money on the straddles. I made very good money in 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. I made very good money on the straddles. I used to make very good money. 2011, 2012. Oh my god, very very good money. So I know what things really work, but those things really doesn't work anymore. These people, they change their way of trading. They don't trade the exactly they used to trade back in time now. So it's very very important for you to understand, if they take out the money, that means the stock will going to go down, no matter how good the earnings are, how positive the news is. So I'm still today kind of waiting for another $500 move. If I can make it like $1,000, I have traded only for like 10-15 minutes probably over there, and I have given you the example how I was able to trade and all those things. And this is kind of a live, it is live basically, not kind of a live, sorry, live session. But thing like I did not trade at so and so time, but I was just explaining you guys what I was able to do in that short period of time was like $500. But this right now, just kind of waiting, watching how it is moving, because like I said, it moved up but failed. Somebody took out the money, and it's still kind of accumulating. And I'm still believing they should go up, but I'm still kind of like waiting to see if it comes down, and maybe I can buy some more call options. So yes, let's just check. Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, TQQQ, Meta. I have added the weeks today in my watch list because of a lot of reasons. I have seen weeks a little bit pop up right over here. So it's a fear index basically. It's just watching S&P, calculating S&P's put options, call options, bought and because investors, they do buy the wicks, because if some type of a crash happens, the wicks shoot up like crazy, so they recover their money based on the wicks. So wicks kind of a little bit on the bullish side right now, and the S&P is on the bearish little bit because it came down, and SQQQ and QQQQ. So let's just watch right now. Kind of SPY and QQQ wants to move higher. So but I kind of like this setup right now. Yes, I'm gonna buy. If it comes a little bit down, probably gonna buy. But two options. But two more. So I'm holding 4 options right now. So and the candlestick is about to close upside. If it comes down again, I'm going to buy some more. Let's watch. Okay, it's going up, so I'm just holding it. I don't want to put a lot of this anymore. I don't want to buy a lot of options. I want to keep my risk a little bit low. So yes, a lot of buyers at that place. I'm looking for 396.50. 396.50. That's what I'm looking for. And right now those 4 options are already making me $600. Not bad, but yes, it came down a little bit. Came down a little bit. It all depends on this candlestick, how it has been forming up right now. Somebody sold some chunk of their options right over there on top on that candlestick so far, and let's just watch. I did not add it anymore. I'm holding 4 options. Holding 4 options right now. If it drops, I'm probably gonna buy 2 more just to make a cover up my losses. Basically, that candle has settled below. Okay, at this point I'm buying it. I bought 2 more because it's kind of showing more strength again. So I bought 2 more. Altogether I'm holding 10 options. And my goal is to hit 396.50. That's my goal, and there you go, it shoot up, and right now I'm up almost $680. There are kind of a little bit of sellers right over there, but I'm pretty much sure it is taking the sellers off. The sellers are moving out because it came down, accumulated more shares, and it's kind of moving up anyway. So see how it has been pumping up and down. So it's kind of telling me there are like buyers and sellers right over there, no doubt. So it's and the volume is green as well, so it all depends now how this candle is kind of like moving up or down. So okay, this is a buying opportunity again. I bought more, 18, holding 18 options at this moment in time, and Yes, this candle is about to close on the upside, so which is will be a positive news kind of thing. About to close 53, 54. God, don't close on the middle. So I'm up holding 18 options, and up kind of like $621. Sold. I sold it because of it's coming down. It's coming down. Would have sold it on top as well, but okay, I'm buying it again because I sold it because of that reason. It might dropped, but there are like a lot of buyers and sellers right over there, so I'm very cautious about what I'm holding at what time, so and what the candle was really doing, because like I said, my way of trading is very fast, and I'm not ready to give my money back to the market. So I'm holding 6 option. I need to see some type of a confirmation at this moment in time, because it's like going in a sideways direction. When it's going on a sideways direction, I don't like it, because it's supposed to go up and take that level basically, and which is not doing it. So okay, God, and I'm already down a little bit, $10 I'm down. So yes, I bought more. I'm holding 10 options at this moment in time. If that level breaks down, I'm going to sell it, because that's kind of a key level again for like a bias to get in. So someone is like selling it right over there basically, within that 96 396 above, is not allowing to go like a 396.50 kind of range over there. Sold. Okay, I'm kind of up still, like $500. I'm going to wait. I want to see if it's 45 or 50 seconds for this candlestick right now. See how this has been. Okay, I bought more at this point, holding 6 options on SPY. And it kind of dipped, so there is a hidden seller right over there basically, who is like selling a lot of his options. I mean, like, not only options, his shares and all those things, no doubt, option, as well as like he's holding some of the S&P shares, so he's like selling them, but at the same time is trying to push up. It's trying to push up, so we need some green volume at the same time. This is the red volume, but we don't have that much of green volume. I'm looking for like a very good green volume, and I'm holding 6 options still. I'm holding 6 options at this moment in time. There is a seller right over there. No joke. So he's kind of accumulating his shares. Basically, the buyers are buying it, but someone is selling it a little bit harder over there, no doubt. Okay, I am kind of moving out. Okay, I was up almost. If you go and check, you will come to know that I was like almost up like $700, but gave some of my profit back to the market, and my goal was to make only $500, but I was already there, but I jumped in because of the reason right over here. It came up, but somebody just sold, and I would like to wait at this moment in time. So this is going to shoot up, no doubt about it. That's what I feel. It's like still kind of accumulating right now, so I'll just pause myself a little bit right now, so I'm not holding anything. Okay, there you go. It gave me that confirmation. I'm jumping in right now, holding 10 options, 12. So like I said, it was coming down. They were accumulating it. Someone was like selling it. It's kind of still. Someone is selling it, no doubt about it. So my goal is like, if it goes up a little bit, I will gonna break my level and I'm gonna stay out of it. So I'm holding 22 options. God. Someone is selling it over there, no doubt. I'm holding 30 options right now. See this accumulation should come up. I was up almost like $700 at some point, and later on I was like down. Now I'm down. I'm up, still kind of up, kind of green thing, but I'm $200 up only, and I'm just gonna hold it. Someone is just selling up all his shares, no doubt. But at the same time, it's been accumulating. So I'm not trying to buy any more. I'm just holding it. I'm holding 30 options right now. I want to see how this candlestick, I want this candlestick to settle above. Okay, 96, come on, stay above. You see, someone is already messing with that. I want to keep my profit at 500 and that level, because the movement shoot up. Someone is selling it, so I'm going to wait. At this moment in time, someone is like selling it, a lot of the shares, someone is selling it. So that's like a hidden seller right over here, and that's what he's doing. He's not allowing to go above. Once he's hit that, probably that's his target basically. That is his target, but that target will going to move out very soon. I want to come down a little bit and in a sideways direction, so that way I can buy more. I bought more. I bought 4 options more. I bought more, 6 positions in options right now. more. I'm holding 10 options. There is a hidden seller over there, no doubt. But I'm pretty much I know this. They're gonna take him out. They're gonna take him out. This candle should be able to settle above, and there you go. Okay, good. So God, this guy is really hammering everyone, no doubt. I'm holding 12 options. If I have almost like $1 million sitting in my portfolio, millions of dollars sitting in my portfolio, then I move this guy out. I'm buying it. I would have moved this guy out. I would have knocked this guy out, no doubt about it. There you go. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, guys. There you go, there you go. I'm out. I'm sold up $728. $728. Like I said, there is a hidden seller right over here, so that's the reason I sold it. Again, that seller will gonna move out. They're gonna knock them. I'm pretty much sure the high frequency traders, they will gonna knock this guy out over there, and this is going to go up, no doubt about it. So like I said, even if I had money, like millions of dollars, I would have knocked this guy out, no joke. But I don't have that much of money. If I did, I can, like I said, like the stock market is made up with the money. You need to have a lot of money if you want to write the rules for the stock market. Basically, you need to have a lot of money, and you need a trader who is like who knows what exactly he's doing. And if you know what exactly you're doing, that means you can bet it. You can make a lot of money, no doubt. You see, that's what I'm talking about. This seller, there is a hidden seller over there, and that's the reason I sold it. This is the reason. So this is very risky. If you don't know these things, I can spot them very well, because I can spot these guys very well, no doubt, very well. Like I said, he was been and he sold, I don't know, probably his portfolio is really big. He just executed a lot of other shares, no doubt about it. He just executed a lot of shares. So yes, so far I'm up $700, $728, in 1 hour trading. If you calculate that, like off and off, on and off, and all those things, it will be like half an hour. Yes, but I have at this point I bought and in and out a lot of shares, so I have traded almost 204 shares today. 204 shares today, so which is not bad. And I'm pretty much sure I'm still having, if you take out all my commissions and all, so I'm still up $500, so which is great. I don't want to trade anymore. I think my 1 hour time is already done now, so I'd like to end my session in a positive, and I like to go and do my regular thing, whatever I like to do. So you should also do. You should never quit your job. Also, you should trade only for 1 hour and go do your other job, whatever you guys do for your living. Until unless you have like almost like $500,000 to $1 million in sitting in your portfolio, that's the time you can quit that job. If you're holding like $1 million in your portfolio and all, and you have a lot of money in the bank, then only you can. I suggest you to quit your job. Otherwise, if you not, then I don't suggest you, because trading is risky. Today you made $500, tomorrow you might lose $2,000. So that's the reason. Do not quit your job, because next day you might lose $2,000, $3,000. Because if you go and check my other videos, the other day I was losing almost $5,000, but I gained back money later on. But what I'm trying to say is, like, that's how trading works. Like, you think just because you made money 2 or 3 days that you will be making money every day. It doesn't happen. You will going to lose money, and that day was my bad day, no doubt about it. I would have like almost lost money, and by the same time I was like I like kind of this Google right now. Google, I kind of liking it right now. Okay, I'm so sorry, I got distracted because when I saw this Google chart. So the other day I was losing like $5,000, but I gained back, and later on I was able to be in my positive side. But most of the money whatever I made like went for a commission, so ending up with like $500, something like that. So this is a very good case study. That is a very good case study, basically. That is a very good case study. And all this whatever, this is my own account, so remember guys, I take the risk in my account. I'm not telling you what to do. You have to take your own risk, please. Okay, if you don't know how to take the risk, take some lessons regarding risk management in stock market. Very, very important. So I'm not trying to buy those 1000 options and all, but because there are a lot of other reasons right now, I'm going to do that again. And those are the good days. Those are the good days I can make like 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 easily, no doubt about it. But right now I'm just trying to hit my base, which is like $500, $500 in order to grow this account. At the same time, when I lost the almost down $5,000 the other day, I lost my confidence a little bit. So I'm just trying to regain my confidence by hitting my base goal, and that's what I'm trying to do. So yes, all the advices whatever I'm giving it's just for the education purpose only. I'm not suggesting you to buy anything, or I'm not suggesting you to sell anything. Okay, so you do all those things on your own risk, basically. That's what I can tell you. So yes, I'm just kind of watching it to close this session. Anyway, this was a very good case study today. Over here I made money, but at the same time over here I was like lost some money, because there was, like I said, there was a hidden seller who was selling it, but that time I was already up, by the way, no doubt. But this was a candlestick basically, which allowed me to make money. This one then came down, I bought some more, and because this is what I knew, there was like they were buying it, and this became like a support for me, and this was like almost like a resistance. This was resistance for me. That's what I have calculated, because that hidden seller was right over here. So that hidden seller was right over here. He's holding a lot of S&P 500 probably in his portfolio. So, and he's not even he want to execute everything, no doubt about it. So he bought it. So he's right now he's like selling everything, but I'm pretty much sure they will going to kick him out at some point. If his portfolio is like too big, then this will go and turn down. So that's what I mean to say, like the stock market is made up with the money. So if he sold a lot of his shares in S&P, this will go and turn down. It will go and turn down ugly for everyone, because remember, S&P, Dow Jones, Russell, Nasdaq, those are like the fathers of the stock market. If they go down, Apple, it really doesn't matter what Apple is doing, it will going to go down. Okay, Apple and all those other things are like their kids. That's what I can say. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, all those are kids. So they will going to follow. They always follow the father. Okay, that's what it is. They're always following the father. So yes, if the S&P goes down, Dow Jones goes down, all other stocks will go and turn into red very, very quickly. So good day today, no doubt. Please comment below if you made money, if you lose money. Please share this video to your friends, family, and please hit the subscribe button and like. And like I said, if you made money, please comment. I want to know how much money you guys made, and if you learned something today, that will be great. And if you make money, it's a good thing, no doubt. It's the happiest thing. If you lose money, it's kind of like a odd feeling, no doubt about it. But remember, it's always the next day to trade. Always the next day. Market is not going anywhere without you. So there's always the next day. So alright guys, peace. I'm closing my session now. Bye. You guys have a good one.